The international development community has recognized that agriculture is an engine of growth and poverty reduction in countries where it is the main occupation of the poor people. Hey, hi, this is I Anand Kumar Verma, and you are watching Agriculture with Anand. Today, my topic is the role of women in agriculture, or the contribution of the women in agriculture. So, let's get started. The agriculture sector in many developing countries is underperforming, in part because women, who represent a crucial resource in agriculture and the rural economy through their role as farmers, laborers, and entrepreneurs, almost everywhere face more severe constraints than men in access to produce resources. Women make essential contributions to the agricultural and rural economies in all developing countries. Their roles varies considerably between and within regions and are changing rapidly in most part of the world. Okay then. Many of these activities are not defined as economically active employment in national accounts, but they are essential to the well-being of rural household. This paper contributes to the gender debate in agriculture by assessing the empirical evidence in three areas that has received much attention in the literature. So, we have three questions to determine these topics. First, how much of the agricultural labor in the developing world is performed by women? And the second is, what share of the world's food is produced by women? And third is, do women face discrimination in rural labor markets? So, first, we have to know what women do in agriculture and rural employment. So, women make important contribution to the agricultural and rural economies and of all regions of the world. However, the exact contribution, both in terms of magnitude and its nature, is often difficult to assess and shows a high degree of variation across countries and regions. This paper presents an overview of the evidence on the roles of the women in agriculture and in rural labors. Okay, first, women in agriculture labor forces. Two types of data can contribute to measuring the contribution of the women in agricultural labor forces. Firstly, the statistics on the share of women is economically active population in agriculture and time use survey, which document the time spent by men and women in different activities. Well, aggregate data shows that women comprises about 43% of agricultural labor force globally and in developing countries. But the figure masks considerable variation across regions and within countries according to age and social classes. Time use surveys, which are more comprehensive but typically not nationally representative, add to agriculture. They shows that female time use in agriculture varies also by crop, production cycle, age, and ethnic group. A few time use survey have data by activities, and these shows that in general weeding and harvesting were predominantly female activities. What is the predominantly female activities? One of these is the weeding, predominantly weeding, and the secondly is harvesting. Overall, the labor burden of rural women exceeds that of men and includes a higher proportion of unpaid household responsibilities related to preparing food and collecting fuel or the leaves and water. The contribution of women to agricultural and food production is significant, but it is impossible to vary empirically the share produced by women. Women's participation in rural labor markets varies considerably across regions, but invariably women are overrepresented in unpaid, seasonal, and part-time work. And the available evidence suggests that women are often paid less than men. This is one of the important phenomena. Women are often paid less than men for the same work. The work is same, but women contains less amount of money rather than men. Available data on phenomena as well as observed in some sectors such as unskilled labor in the fruit, vegetable and cut flower export sector. Okay, I think this was the enough brief matter related to role of women in agriculture or Indian agriculture. I think there are some essential remaining topics related this topic will remain, and I shall try to cover all these stuffs in my next upcoming videos. So have a nice day. Thank you so much.